There are a wide range of innovative functions available on your AEG Rotary Dial Oven, and properly understanding each function and its correlating icon will help you to get the most out of your appliance. However, bear in mind that not all rotary dial ovens will feature all of these functions. Functions include True Fan or Surround Cook, which is your default cooking setting that allows you to cook on all shelf positions at one time. A conventional cooking function for one shelf cooking. You may have a plus steam function to add steam and humidity during cooking for delicious results. A handy pizza function, which is great for achieving a nice crispy base. A bottom heat setting. A frozen food setting for cooking items like chips. Moist fan baking, which is energy efficient and ideal for light and fluffy bakes and one-shelf cooking. A grill function and turbo grill for full shelf grilling or for roasting meat. You may also find your menu icon, which looks like this, on the functions dial. This allows you to enter basic settings and explore the self-cleaning options. You'll find further information on the different cooking functions in your user manual, as well as information on ideal cooking temperatures, shelf positioning, and cooking duration for a range of recipes. You can also consult the handy AEG Oven and Cooker function PDFs on the AEG website for function descriptions and additional tips. Or if you need any more help or advice, our consumer care team will be happy to help.